Hi friends, I'm Midoric from 499 Reality. In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up AuRe4 so you can start experimenting right away. AuRe4 is free to download from the official website AuRe4.com. You can get each application individually. Each module is standalone. Download the installer for the module selected and run the installer. The installer will create a dedicated directory on the C hard drive for the software, and another dedicated directory in your My Documents folder for your project. Once installed, launching a module is as simple as double-clicking on the link on the desktop. There are two executables, Creator executable or Player executables. They are both sharing the same project directory. All the modules communicate through OSC, SPOOT or NDI. At first launch, you will have to accept the connection to your network for each module to ensure connectivity between modules. In the upcoming videos, we'll go deeper into each module of the AuRe4 ecosystem and show their practical applications. We'll start with AuRe4RS, the reactive source processor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the page and follow the YouTube channel so you won't miss the next tutorials. See you to the next one.